Hey everyone, this is Triyasha and today I'm going to make the realistic portrait of Leo Messi, the king of football. And this is a tutorial video, so don't skip and watch it till the end. Bye bye.
Tutto volet intime vet en tutkan Habibi Tutto volet intime vet en tutkan Habibi Tutto volet intime vet en tutkan Habibi Tutto volet intime vet en tutkan Habibi
Hey, so how was the video? Do you like it? If you like it, then press the like button below. And if you don't subscribe my channel yet, then press the subscribe button and press the bell button to receive all of my notifications first. And see you at the next video. Till then,